Hey everyone! In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to mute specific person or group on Facebook Messenger. Just watch this video till the end. This is just a quick video tutorial. For additional information about muting someone on Messenger, please check out our blog post on TechUnow.com. Muting someone on Messenger allows you to temporarily silence notifications for new messages from that person or group. This can be useful if you're busy, in a meeting, or simply don't want to be disturbed by their messages. The person you mute will still be able to send you messages, but you won't receive any notifications until you unmute them. To mute someone on Facebook Messenger, first, open the Messenger app and locate the list of friends you want to mute. Tap and hold on the conversation name from the list. A menu will appear. Select Mute. Now, from the pop-up menu, select Mute Message Notification or Mute Call Notification, or both message and call. Select the desired options. And then, choose the duration for which you want to mute the conversation: 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours, 24 hours, or until you unmute. Lastly, tap OK to confirm. You can also mute a conversation directly from the chat window. For that, first, open conversation screen of specific person or group. And tap on friend name or info icon from top of the screen. After that, tap on mute, it look like bell icon and follow on screen process. Once muted, you will no longer receive notifications for new messages in that conversation. However, you can still access the conversation and read the messages whenever you want. To unmute someone on Facebook Messenger, follow the same steps as above, but select Unmute instead of Mute. If you are using Messenger on computer, then how to mute someone? For that, first, open messenger.com using one of the browsers. Now, select a person and go to the conversation area. After that, click on the three-dot menu from the top right corner. Click the mute and follow on-screen process. This is exactly how you can mute specific friend or group on Facebook Messenger. Hope this video helped you. If so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment box. Thank you for watching to the end, and see you in the next video.